Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to look at problem A from today's AtCoder Regular Contest 154. The name of the problem is swap digit. So according to the problem statement, we'll be given n digit positive integers a and b whose topmost digit are not 0. So this means that the leftmost digit of both the integers is not 0, and we can perform the following operation any number of times. So the operation given to us is that we can select any integer I from 1 to n, and we can swap the ith lowest digit of a and b. This operation basically means that we can swap the digits of both the integers at any position I. Okay, and we can perform this operation any number of times. Our task is to find the smallest value of the product of a cross b. After performing the operations modulo this number. So this was the problem statement. In the input we'll be given n, which is the number of digits, and then in the next two lines we'll be given integer a and integer b. In our output would be the minimum product of the two integers after performing the operations few times. Now let us see the approach to solve this problem. So basically we need to minimize this product mod this number. In order to minimize the product, we can perform the given operation. The operation is simply that we can select any position and we can swap the digits of the two integers at that position. We can perform this operation any number of times. So let us try to understand the pattern of how the product of two integers look like. Let's say if we multiply 6 and 2 together, then our product will be 12. If we multiply 6 and 3, then our product will be 18. But if we multiply 6 and 1 together, then the product will be 6. From these three cases, we can easily observe that the product of two integers is greater when both the integers are as high as possible. Here, if we multiply 6 and 3, then our product is 18. If we multiply 6 and 2, then our product is 12. And if we multiply 6 and 1, our product is 6. So if any one of the integer is as low as possible, then our product decreases by a great amount. So this is the gist of the approach. What we will do is we will try to make one integer as high as possible, and we will try to decrement, or we will try to reduce the other integer as low as possible. So basically the approach is this. We are going to iterate through the n positions, and we are going to swap the integers or digits present at that position of the two integers, such that the integer a becomes as low as possible and integer b becomes as large as possible. And after this, the product of the two integers will reduce and it will be the minimum product. This is the simple approach to solve this problem. We are simply going to iterate through n positions, and if required, we are going to swap the digits of the two integers at that position. Now let us see the code of this problem. So here we are first inputting n, which is the number of digits. Then we are inputting the two integers, and we are inputting them as string. Now firstly I have converted the two integers into a list of digits, and after that, as I said, we will iterate through n positions. While iterating through n positions, we are trying to make our integer a as low as possible and integer b as large as possible, so that after performing operations the product of those two integers will become very low, and that will be our answer. Here we are checking if digit of integer a at ith position is greater than digit of integer b, then we are swapping it, because we want that our integer a should be as low as possible. So we will interchange the digits, and we will do the same thing for all the n positions. After this, our integer a will become as low as possible and integer b will become as large as possible, and their product will become very low, and that will be our answer. So here we are calculating the new product, and we are performing mod with this number, and we will simply print the product. So if I run this, so as you can see, our test cases were passed. If I try to submit this code, so as you can see, our solution got accepted. This was it for this video, and if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you.